Here's how to use the Ulike Air 3 Ice Cooling IPL dry hair removal device. First, do a test treatment on a small area and wait for 6 hours to ensure there is no discomfort. If it's okay, then prep your skin by shaving the area you're treating. Then wash and dry your skin. Put on the safety goggles, then plug in the device and press the power button to turn it on. Choose your mode, gentle, normal, or power, then press the treatment window flat against your skin. To use the spot treatment method, best for small areas, short press the treatment button for each pulse. Or to use the auto glide method, which pulses automatically and is good for larger areas, press the treatment button for about 2 seconds, then begin gliding it over your skin. Ulike recommends treating 3 times a week for the first month, then once every 2 weeks or even once a month after that, depending on your hair growth. Also, Ulike advises avoiding direct sunlight on treated areas for at least 48 hours before and after treatment. Remember to read the user manual before use and follow the instructions closely to avoid potential risks. After you're done, clean the device and store for next time.